In this video, I'll show you two different exercises you can use for speaking pace. In this first exercise, we will measure your speaking pace while reading a transcript or a speech you prepared beforehand. Let's begin here, and as I start speaking now, it will update every roughly 10 seconds on the graph in front of me. We've provided an example transcript which you can read, but you can use your own speech or prepared material if you have anything ready. And as I keep talking, you can see the graph is updating in real time for you as well. As I stop that and move over, you can see this is an example that I created earlier, and how my speaking pace varies quite a lot in this example over time. And this helps you determine whether you're speaking too fast at certain points of your speech or too slowly in certain sections as well. In this second example, you can listen to how different speaking paces sound. Once you select a transcript, such as this one, and then a speaking pace for the text to scroll at, you then read the text at the speaking pace, and you can hear how that sounds at that certain speed. If, for example, we want to try a faster speaking pace, the text now scrolls at approximately 250 words per minute. And when you're speaking this, you'll notice that it sounds extremely rushed and extremely fast compared to the lower speaking paces. We also have speaking pace feedback on your longer presentations in these larger exercises. So in this one here, the conference room, as we open it up, we can see the virtual audience here. You can load in your own presentation slides, your notes, and other content as well to practice with. Once we start our speech, you deliver your presentation, and then at the end you have the full audio recording. You get feedback on your speaking pace, on a graph as we saw previously, as well as how easy you were to listen to, and various other metrics from filler words and other elements as well. And that helps you identify any areas of your presentation that perhaps need to be improved.